What up, everybody? Thanks for watching Jeazie TV. I am JuJu. So today I am rearranging my room. We're doing the whole thing. A lot of stuff in here I've been having for years, and it's just old and outdated. I'm just tired of it, so I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff, putting a lot of new stuff in here. Yeah, I'm out of breath. I just ran from upstairs, downstairs. Let me catch my breath. Anyway, yeah, I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff. Some stuff I'm sad to go, but I gotta get rid of it. So a lot of my stuff is I'm still waiting for in the mail. So this video might take two, 3 days for me to get done with it before I'll be able to put everything in here. But it's still a little messy. I got stuff everywhere. This is the bed. I'm getting rid of this. These curtains, one of them fell down, so that needs to get rid of. I'm getting rid of those, getting new curtains. I'm getting rid of my chair. I love my little chair Lyric's sitting in. I don't know what I'm doing with it. I don't know if I'm gonna try to sell it or give it to Goodwill. I don't know. I'm getting rid of this stand. I'm putting this in my basement for our TV that we're getting for the basement. I'm gonna put this on the wall. Putting this rug in the basement because I have new rugs. I'm going for lighter colors. Of course I'm keeping this. I'm not sure where on the wall I'm putting this at though. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna redo this whole thing, make it look nice, because it's just, you know, blah. Alright guys, so here is the room. I will show you guys my face, but I have on my bonnet right now. So let's start right here. My favorite part. Got me and Eric's wedding gift picture up there. We mounted the TV up. Well, I did. And then those are my little hanging shelves with my little plants on there. Got those plants from, I believe, Marshall's. And then I have my little fireplace right there. Somebody wants me on camera. I love it. It changes colors, guys. Where's my... I don't know where my little remote is. I had to find my remote to show y'all how to change its colors. The mirror got to hurry up and go past there because I got on my pajamas. Those are my little curtains. I got everything in here I mostly got from Amazon. But my curtains, the ombre, got 2 of those. Then I got these 4 pictures from Amazon. Just different pictures of beaches. Then I got this bed comforter right here of a beach, of course. The palm trees and the pillowcases that goes with it. I bought these little lamps from Amazon as well. They're just some little lamps, nothing special about them. I got this little diffuser, you know, kind of to help you sleep with the little aromatherapy oils that you put in there. Put some more water in them. Then I got these little nightstands. They're super small. They're a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be. But that's fine. We're just going to thug it out. Eric has his over here. His side's a little not so clean, but that's fine. Then I have these little stick things. I need a bigger base for it, but those kind of gave me beach vibe. I got these a long time ago. They were like in my garage. Then I got this cute little fuzzy chair. So cute. I had to get rid of my hill chair, and that just broke my little heart. And then my little fur rugs right here. Oh yeah, I was supposed to show you guys the color changing on here. Let's see the colors. See, look at that, the background. You can change the background. Hold on, it's light in here. Let me turn off my light so y'all can get the feel of it. That changes the back color of it. See, Then this one changes the fire color. So that's how that works. So it can be like that. That's pretty. I like that right there. This is my favorite area right here. Turn that back off. I'll turn that on tonight. So, yep, this is the end result of it. Hope you guys like our little beach thing. Since I cannot be on a beach right now, I thought I'd just bring the beach home. But yeah, there's that.